There are some pop-up showers and storms across the area today, but not widespread. Didn't expect them to be, but some packing a bit of a punch. Let's zoom in just a little bit and show you some heavier rain northern Ray County there near Spring City, just outside of our viewing area. That's moving to the southeast. One cell between Catoosa and Wartburg and Morgan County heads up Grove if it holds together, but really one of the stronger cells I've been watching is this one that's in east sections of Knox County, headed down towards Thorn Grove, Midway. We do have what's called a special weather statement on it. It means it's not severe, but certainly could have some winds in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range, some heavy rain and a lot of lightning, 16 strikes there. Basically in the past 15 minutes. There's some heavier rainfall south of Knoxville as well. We're kind of looking at that from our Embassy Suites hotel, looking back across the river towards South Knoxville, the stadium there in the foreground. So there are some downpours in spots. It may slow that evening commute. Just take it easy, okay? They won't last long. But rain cooled 74 in Oak Ridge, 75 in Kingston, still 90 though, Gatlinburg and Maryville with heat index values in the upper 90s, 101 in Tellico Plains is what it feels like. We'll see more of that as we head into the weekend. Rain chances fizzle over the next couple of hours. I'd say certainly by sunset, which is before 8:30 now, by the way. The daylight hours getting shorter and shorter here in the August month. I think we lose about 50 minutes of daylight just in August. A little depressing, I know. Upper 60s to low 70s tonight. Back to near 90 though for tomorrow, and really limited rain chances. It's going to stay steamy. More mid to upper 90 heat index values for tomorrow and into the weekend. But rain chances, as I said, will be limited tomorrow. Quiet start. This is 7 a.m. through midday. Don't expect much. I'd say a mix of clouds and some sun. At times it'll be filtered out. As we go into the afternoon, pop-up shower storms certainly possible. They wouldn't last long, and these will quickly fizzle once we get past the sunset time frame. This is 7 o'clock, and this is 11 o'clock as we get into Friday night. Let's go into the rest of the weekend, though. Saturday, limited rain chances. It's a little warmer, low 90s, a little more common. Gatlinburg, you're close at 89, but Maynardville, Kingston, Spring City, 92 with higher heat index values, upper 90s, close to 100. And this is the trend, our next weather maker heading through the rest of the weekend into next week. It's getting warmer and it's getting more humid as well. So the low 90s are going to feel more like triple digits the way it's looking right into next week. Maybe some better rain chances towards the middle of next week. Cold front coming out of Kentucky doesn't make it all the way through, but I think it gets close enough later Tuesday into Wednesday that we'll see some increased rain chances. All right, tropics are still active out in the Atlantic. We're keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Erin. Still a long way away from being any type of an impact to the U.S. This takes it all the way out to Tuesday afternoon, next Tuesday. Could be a Category 3 hurricane. I have some doubts about that. There's a little bit of Saharan dust that it could ingest and kind of weaken it. But regardless, most of our forecast information is showing that the better chances as we go into next week for hurricane strength winds will stay offshore the way it's looking, somewhere between the East Coast and Bermuda. We'll continue to watch it, but if you do have travel plans to the Carolina beaches this weekend or next week, just know it could be some higher rip currents. For us, it's just hot and humid, feeling like August. And other than the middle of next week, that's our only chance for seeing some heat relief, Lori.
Well, we'll take it. All right, Ken, thank you.